For life sciences companies, clinical trials expense is a key element in the planning process. Being able to plan and forecast this critical development activity is an important requirement. Here we see a typical budget expense template used by life sciences companies. These templates are extremely flexible and can be configured to model to specific customer requirements. Some companies plan certain expenses by vendor dimension, as shown here in the sheet. Below that, you see a clinical studies expense line. The blue triangle in the cells indicate that the numbers are calculated in the model versus keyed directly into the sheet. In this example, the expense amounts represent the cash burn by month for each trial summarized on this expense sheet. I can drill from here to the clinical trial supporting schedule to see the detail. So I'm going to go ahead and drill down on this item here, invoking my Cell Explorer. I see the amount I clicked on is a cash burn calculation from the clinical trial sheet. When I click one more time, it displays the detail from the clinical trials model that sums to my budget line. From here, I can click one more time and get directly to the clinical trials model. This is an extremely flexible model. We can build these out to your unique specifications. In this example, we're planning by clinical trial dimension, project dimension, phase. You can include any columns necessary and any calculations you need to perform your planning. The item we looked at was coming from this project, spread across 2 months for this particular amount. I can drill one step further to see the underlying detail for that particular trial. And there you can see the total cash required and the cash burn elements. This demonstration showed how life sciences companies are modeling clinical trials using Workday Adaptive Planning.